Hello and welcome back to another tech wrap tutorial. I'm Melissa Crafter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this holiday theme coffee cup using tech wrap vinyl. I picked up this cup from my local craft store and I was able to easily customize it using tech wrap vinyl. If you're interested in how I made this cup, go ahead and continue watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you the vinyl that I used for this cup. The first vinyl that I used was this shimmer adhesive vinyl in the color black. This vinyl does have a smooth shimmery surface. The second vinyl that I used was one from this glossy adhesive vinyl sheet pack in the color pale purple. These sheet packs are great because they include 21 12x12 adhesive vinyl sheets. This one in specific is the 001G sheet pack, which is the glossy vinyl sheet pack. Both of these vinyls will be linked down below in the video description, along with everything else used in this video. So here I have already cut out both layers of my decal. I did cut these out using my Cricut Explore Air 2. I did purchase this SVG cut file from Etsy from the shop Dottie Digitals. I'll link it down below in the comment section. The next thing that I'm going to do is weed out my decal. To do that, I'm going to be using my Tech Wrap weeding pen. I'm first going in and removing those small fine detail cuts on each one of the bats. Since this weeding pen does have a sharp stainless steel tip, I'm able to easily remove these small vinyl pieces. I am now going in and removing that big piece of excess vinyl. I am now going to weed out the second layer of my decal. I'm first going in and removing that big piece of excess vinyl. I then went in and began to remove those small fine detail cuts. Now that both layers of my decal are weeded out, I'm going to take a piece of transfer tape that is the same size as my decal, and I'm going to place it on one of the layers. Here I'm taking my squeegee to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well to my transfer tape. To easily remove the vinyl backing, I press down on it using my squeegee. This ensures that my vinyl will stay stuck on the transfer tape and not on the backing. Now I'm going to take this top layer that I've already added my transfer tape onto and place it on top of my bottom layer. You could use parchment paper to help with the placement. Now taking my squeegee and pressing down on my transfer tape to make sure that both vinyl layers adhere on well to the transfer tape. Now I'm slowly going to remove the backing. And here I have my decal ready to be placed onto my cup. So here's the cup that I'm going to be using. I did pick this cup up from my local craft store. I purchased it at Michael's. It is a 16-ounce reusable coffee cup with a lid. I'm placing my cup on my squeegee here to keep it in place, and now I'm going to try to center this on my cup as best as I could. The sizing that I did for this decal was 9.5 for the width and 4.5 for the height. After placing my decal down as centered as possible, I'm going in with my hand and pressing down all the way around my cup to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well to the cup. The transfer tape that I'm using here is the matte transfer tape from Tech Wrap. Now I'm going to slowly remove my transfer tape. And here is how my cup turned out. I absolutely love how easy it is to be able to customize any type of cup using Tech Wrap vinyl. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.